Hello, my name is GülbaharEmirIsik, and I am here today to talk about architectural hybrid prototyping in design processes with digital twin technologies. I am an architect and currently doing my PhD studies with Professor Dr. Henrachten in Czech Technical University. Today, we will talk about our problem, our paradox, or architecture models and digital twin, hybrid prototyping, and current and future designs, and we will conclude our presentation. Digital twin technology is used in various industries, such as automotive and aerospace. In architecture, we can see it in smart cities, or some primary work is done on buildings. So, do you know what is a digital twin? The digital twin is a mirror of physical process, or it is twin, defined by NASA researchers. Physical and digital environment is linked to each other with data flow. So, since design information is valuable for predicting the future of design, we assume that design will begin to change as designers have digital twins past, present, and future. And in automotive and aerospace, knowledge gained from digital twin is used to inform design and development of new products. We can also observe that digital twin is being used more and more in the design process. This is mainly digital models combined with simulation and corrected or updated with data and experience from earlier digital twin of similar products like cars, planes, or components. Sex calls these as a fetal, child, and adult digital twins. In architecture, we are not so far, yet we see the potential of digital twin. So there seems to be a paradox. How can we make a digital twin in design process when there is no physical object of which to make the digital twin? Actually, there is no paradox. Architecture has a long tradition of making models during design process. We only need to study these models as opportunities to link them with digital twin. Regarding architectural applications, many designers work with models, prototypes, mock-ups, or prefabrications. Here we see the examples like Arup or Meta Architects or Next. There are several examples in our research files. Prototyping is an activity in which representative and manifest prototypes are created during use or design. Architectural models from prototype to prefabrication, model or mock-up, each of them has different details or scales. Like model can be defined with a copy of design, or prototype is a primary type of anything. Mock-up is mostly one scale of related design to test and display to customers. Prefabrication is a part of design, mostly built in factory. It also consists kind of assembling and unifying standardized parts of the design. Each type of model offers different opportunities for digital twin. Model with digital twin, prototype plus digital twin, a mock-up with digital twin, or prefabrication plus digital twin. We call this hybrid prototyping. We see the progressive stages in the design processes related to fetal, child, and adult digital twin. Both of them combined in a hybrid prototyping. As also we here see the figure for hybrid prototyping, generalized idea of it. Like there are some parts from representation, generation, operation, or interaction. As we see from this figure, one of the most important parts of hybrid prototyping is the operation, which can be also associated with the idea of a digital twin supported by sensors, processors, or actuators. Where are we now in the research? Until now, we see digital models and physical models, both of them combined in a hybrid prototypes, which is a linkage with the digital twin technology. This is new, you know. Like Sachs et al. Make an important distinction in developmental phases of digital twins through notion of fetal, child, and adult digital twin. Throughout the design process, as idea evolve, prototypes evolve as well, very much in the same way as fetal, child, and adult digital twins. Fetal and child digital twin is a type of incomplete model or working process digital twin, while adult digital twin is a complete model or a constructed process of digital twin. In concept design, digital twin comes to life with a fetal, child, and physical digital twin. In primary design, digital twin starts to grow as a child digital twin, and it is a child digital twin supported by child physical twins as it is physical twin. Through detail or final design until the construction, we both actually the operation part, both digital and physical prototyping helps fetal to turn child and then child to turn into adult digital twins. And our future work and conclusion now, we will talk its definitions and some explanations of traditional understanding of digital twin technologies are given until now, and prototyping also. Potentials and problems of digital twin added to prototypes were discussed, and definition of hybrid prototyping related to digital twin approach was concluded. So what if we already started to use fetal and child physical and digital twins through prototyping? So we simply ask that. Realizing potential of architectural prototypes for design processes with digital twin is vital here. In practice, many prototypes are produced during design process, but what if we adding more sensors to make it more smarter? And therefore, hybrid prototyping tools such as models, prototypes, mock-ups, or prefabrication can increase connectivity of digital twin. Designers can achieve better designs by using digital twin when prototyping. And as a designers, having a digital twin data system to feed into subsequent designs, it is also vital here. And hybrid prototyping can inform designers during design processes. So for now, it's almost finished. Here you can see our references. And thank you for your listening. And if you would like to ask any question, you can ask to us, or we will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.